Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. This article, actually both of these articles I'm going to be sharing are explaining why silver is the big move, why silver is set to soar, and why the big move may be in silver right now. Are we looking upon future extremely high prices? More than likely. I'm extremely bullish, not only in the 3 to 6 month range, but the 3 to 5 year range as well. The opportunity is endless. The sky is the limit for precious metals, more specifically silver. These articles are going to explain why. So before we start, make sure to smash that like button. Let's see if this video can get 150 likes. Everyone go like the video right now. It's the best way to support the channel. I appreciate the support so much. So, for many years now, metal traders and enthusiasts have been patiently waiting for the move in silver that we feel is eventually going to happen. There is almost a ritual process in the metals market that takes place when a crisis happens. We've written about this in the past article, and we've highlighted how we believe silver is one of the absolute best opportunities if and once it breaks out. It goes something like this. A. Silver is often overlooked, little cousin to other precious metals like gold and platinum. Many traders would rather trade and acquire gold versus silver. B. When a crisis begins to happen, both gold and silver tend to collapse, and initially as a shock to the market translate into sales of precious metals to improve the cash/marginal requirements. C. As the crisis continues to unfold, gold will typically begin a sustained upside price move over the many months where silver may be very little to the upside. This creates a massive peak in the gold to silver ratio. Where we're at right now. Right now we're at C. And then D, suddenly silver starts to rally upwards faster than gold, and the gold to silver ratio begins to collapse. Gold continues to move higher throughout this process, but silver is already rallying much stronger than gold. So right now we're at C, and we're waiting for D to happen. And the charts are showing it, information, the circumstances. If history repeats itself, if we see anything like we saw in 2008, which led to $50 silver, then we're definitely on something huge. This is the breakout move in silver that we believe may be happening right now and may continue for many months or years into the future. Allow us to explain this setup in more detail. Silver daily chart. First, we believe an extended flag formation in silver has recently completed, and we believe this price wedge type of pattern will prompt a renewed upside price trend in silver prices over the long term, given a number of factors that many skilled traders have failed to appreciate. Technically, a price advance from current levels to the levels above $21 will prompt a big shift in thinking for silver traders. These new highs will suggest silver has finally broken above the previous $20 price highs and could be skyrocketing as high as it did in 2010 to 2012, which $50 silver happened. Silver weekly chart. This weekly chart, silver chart, shows exactly why we believe this flag breakout could prompt a major upside price rally in both gold and silver. The downside price rotation that took place after February 2020 global virus event prompted a vast rethinking of value and risk, while gold found support fairly early, suggesting skilled traders were moving away from risk into safe havens. Silver has stalled below the $16.50 level recently. We believe this second-class status for silver is about to end in a very big way. Follow along. Gold to silver ratio weekly chart. The flag formation setup on the daily and weekly silver chart is almost like the starting line in an incredible upward price event. The virus pandemic price collapse did what it was supposed to do: deflate expectations related to future market valuations and shift investor consideration of metals for a short period of time. As risks accelerated and equity markets were put at risk, metals sold off as traders liquidated metals positions to cover risk exposure in equities or another market. Now that the risk event has taken place and the metals are transitioning back towards a safe haven solution again, a new process begins. The upside advance in gold and silver, which takes the gold to silver ratio back down to below 65-75. Looking back at the 2008-2009 credit crisis and the current virus pandemic crisis, we see that gold is already trading at levels which are very high compared to the peak levels in 2011. We can also see that the gold to silver ratio has reached the 120 level on this chart, which is an incredible nearly 41% higher than the peak levels in 2008. Comparatively, the gold to silver ratio collapsed 60% from 2008 to 2011, which skyrocketed gold from $720 to $1,870, 259% gains. A similar move from current gold price levels would suggest gold could rally well above the $4,500 level over the next 2+ years. So they're talking about times being more extreme now. So now how does this relate to silver? In 2008, silver was trading near $9.75 an ounce just before the peak of the gold to silver ratio was reached. By 2011, silver had reached levels above $48.25, an incredible 495% price increase. This suggests silver could rally from current levels near $15.75 level above the $78 level or higher if our analysis is correct, which we are expecting to happen next. If our research is correct, we will see an upside price move in silver to levels above $21 to $23 over the next 3 to 5 weeks. At the same time, gold will likely rally to near $1,999 to $2,100. This simultaneous price rally in both gold and silver should prompt the gold versus silver ratio to stay rather elevated. But the next move in silver above $25-$30 should push the gold to silver ratio below $100 from current price levels, which would collapse the RSI levels, showing us longer-term price rally in gold and silver as confirmed. Every time gold-silver ratio collapses substantially, more than 35 to 40 RSI points after the gold-to-silver ratio reached new high levels, this indicates a price rally in gold and silver as a beginning. You can see how often this setup qualifies and confirms over the past 30+ years in the chart below. We've highlighted the trends of silver and green. So, concluding thoughts. We believe that the current flag formation breakout in silver is the beginning of a much larger upside price trend that is just the beginning. Over the next few weeks and months, we believe silver will begin an upside price advance that could last 12 to 24 months and present an incredible opportunity for technical traders who follow price action. If you are using our free public research for your own trading decision making and are using an opportunity to execute successful trades, please remember you're ultimately the one making the decision. If you want to improve your accuracy, and then now they kind of go into this stuff. So now let's go into why silver is set up to soar. Silver is gold's cheaper but often overlooked precious metal associate has completed a bullish pattern. It appears the white metal, which has both luxury and industrial uses, is about to catch up to gold by replicating its medium-term surge, even as the yellow metal has been beset by profit taking during the same time the equities bottomed at the end of March. Silver futures have been trading according to the falling flag. That's a period where new bulls come in to pick up profit-taking supplies sold by earlier bulls. It's considered bullish after the range followed in advance. So, trading strategies. Conservative traders would wait for at least one long green candle, followed by a return move to verify the tenacity of the demand with a bounce of pattern. Moderate traders may wait for the same deeper penetration beyond the pattern breakout, as well as wait for a pullback for a better entry, not necessarily for proof that the supply and demand balance has returned to the preceding trend. Aggressive traders may go long now, providing they accept the possibility of a bull trap and execute a plan accordingly. So, there's definitely a lot of potential. Silver is set to soar. Silver is set to skyrocket. They're talking about up 495% from $9.75 to $48.12 or 25 cents or whatever. So, we're definitely on to something. We're definitely onto something huge, right? 495% price increase if silver is $48.25 up from $9.75. So what that means is silver is going to appreciate quicker than gold. Silver is going to outperform gold. Gold, people wonder why silver and not gold. Silver has more potential. It's more volatile. It hits higher highs and lower lows. And we're starting to see this happen. The gold to silver ratio is going to close back in, and silver is going to be the investment that is going to have the most potential, the most profits to capitalize and liquidate your stack. That's why we invest into it. We buy it while it's cheap. We're going to sell it after it explodes. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you thought this video was educational, informational, or at least just entertaining, make sure to smash that like button. The link to these articles will be in the description if you want to check them out yourself. They go over a lot of the chart analytical standpoints, but if history repeats itself, then we're going to be here. It's happening. It's already happening. We're, like it said, like it was showing, right now we're at C. The crisis continues to unfold. We still don't know where this virus is going, so it's still unfolding. And then D, silver suddenly starts to rally upward faster than gold, and the gold to silver ratio begins to collapse. That's where we're headed right now, so stay tuned. and I'll update you guys on a daily basis of what's going on. That's why you want to stay tuned to these videos and subscribe to the channel. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Let's see if we can hit 150 likes on this video. Make sure you subscribe because I post daily videos. Turn on post notifications so you get instantly notified when I post to YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.